guys. We've been on the road for about, I don't know, an hour and 30 minutes now. A little while. Anyway, we're headed to, where are we going? Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. It's really pretty drive up through here. I mean, it's just so pretty. It's Pigeon Forge, I guess. I don't know. It's just beautiful. The trail is so scenic. Hang on, I'll give you a glimpse of it. There is a bee in here. Is that a bee in our... Is that a bee or is it outside? Never mind. It's outside. Anyway, this is the trail. It's like really... It's kind of small. Pretty small trail, isn't it? Like to drive on. I don't know if I'd drive a van or anything on it. Would you?
Oh yeah.
You could? Oh, it seems really tiny. But it's really pretty. We've been on this for about, what, 15 minutes now? We'll just kind of take it slow and take it all in. There's our trail. This is what we're doing here. And I guess this ends at where we're going to go is, what is it called?
Grotto Falls.
Grotto Falls. So we're going to go to that pin and park and hike up to a place called Grotto Falls. And it's supposed to be a really pretty waterfall. We shall see. It's very pretty though. There's little Emma. She's been kind of just napping off and on. She loves riding in the Jeep. It's nice and quiet. There's Miller. He's on his phone. Miller, you taking the sights in, buddy? Huh? Are you taking in the sights? The what? Oh, pretty, isn't it? We're deep in the woods. We've been driving quite a while. I smell a skunk. You smell that? You smell that? Smell that. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, if you could smell real well, you would be smelling a skunk.
What if they make really smell good videos? Hi.
Miller, are you excited?
Titanic.
Yeah. I was going to say, tell them what we're doing after we do the Grotto Falls. Titanic.
We're going to do the Titanic.
Miller's been waiting to do Titanic for a long time, a couple months, right? Well, actually, probably a year or so.
Yeah.
It's been quite a while, actually.
We've been looking at that for a long time now.
We really have. We've been watching little videos. Oh, look at that. Pink Jeep tours. We've been watching little videos of what the museum's about and all.
Now I want to go see it in person.
Yeah, now we want to see it in person. Pretty woods. Oops.
Okay, I'm plugging my nose. Oh God, what does that smell?
That's a skunk. lush and green.
Hikers.
Yeah, there's hikers. Oh, the hikers up there.
No one. Why?
Hmm.
There's so many leaves and skunk fart.
Yeah. Skunk fart? I don't know if that's them farting. I think they just spray when they get scared. Like if they
They spray it out of your butt.
yeah.
So it's a skunk fart.
Well, yeah, I guess it is. If they see like a predator or get scared,
They see a predator. Skunk fart.
yeah, they spray them with their.
Like it's skunk fart to the moon.
That's right. They spray them with their skunk fart.
This could be a new meme, the skunk fart. Skunk fart. Skunk fart. Lead. Skunk. Skunkly farts.
What is it at the Titanic that you're looking forward to the most?
All the metal pieces and everything from in there.
Me too. Like seeing actual pieces that were brought up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking forward to too.
Is it okay if I say something to the camera real quickly that
Well,
on the YouTube ones?
Yeah, of course.
That it wasn't the iceberg.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
That it wasn't the iceberg that sunk the
I need to go to the
Titanic.
bathroom. Okay, what was it?
It was actually a fire that happened while they were building the Titanic. One of the sides of the ship like caught on fire, and and then when they sailed out, that side got hit by the iceberg.
That's a good theory, Miller. I don't know.
I've seen that one all over
Jeez.
YouTube. They actually have pictures of it burning.
Really?
Yes, real pictures.
Of the Titanic burning? Well, I mean, it's totally possible. That's
And the spark reignited the spark reignited because it started moving again.
makes sense.
And so when it was moving, the spark ignited. And so when the spark ignited, it made it kind of blow up a little more. And then so the iceberg hit that side, and it bursted, which made it to where the Titanic sunk. They say the ship is unsinkable, which is actually kind of true. Though if it wasn't for the burn.
Yeah, I mean it's hard to really survive a fire, right?
Yeah, it's hard to survive fire in the middle of an ocean. And the water was freezing cold. So like the water, and plus it was like at the top of the ship somewhere. It wasn't near the water that well.
Yeah.
So what I do know is that like it was in the one part that was made of wood.
Yeah. I think a lot of the ship was made of wood.
Yeah, it was actually built from wood.
Oh, what are we doing? Pee break?
Grotto Falls is right there.
Oh, we're not going here? To the
No,
cave?
that's just a trail and marks at the middle for some reason.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Well,
that's the trail?
all right. Well, here we go. I've got to stop at the bathroom. Is it back up there? Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're here. Let's get our stuff
Yeet.
together.
Emma's sleeping.
Aw. We're getting ready to go for a thing.
Do I have bug spray?
All right, so you have the first aid kit. I think the bug spray's at home. I forgot to, because we were using it for the yard. You've got a flashlight, first aid kit, fork, napkins. Oh, there might be some bugs repellent wipes.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like wipes.
If I find out, just you wipe yourself.
I don't know. When we get home, I'm gonna put that bug spray in the bag and leave it in there, and that way. And then if I'll just get a separate one for the house.
I like being that medic.
Yep, you're the medic.
I'll turn it out if you try to.
Yeah, is it open? Yeah.
I'm not going to turn it on. It's scary. Okay, put it back in. Give me it. No, you're going to waste it.
No, don't waste all the.
The bugs are. This is my only.
I know,
focus
but
bug.
let me look in Daddy's. He may have the bug spray. Here, you record. You wanna be a recorder?
I am going to
Look,
hurt
this
it.
is what's being shown. You be the recorder.
Wait, sorry, it's being recorded.
It's recording right now. Point it. Look through the viewfinder. You're the one recording. All right, we'll look through yours.
My only technique to defend myself against the bugs. Flames.
Don't use flames, Miller. Seriously. How do I track it?
This is like a gun.
I'm tracking it on you, Miller. It's tracked.
It's not tracking me.
It is tracking you. Does it see me?
I don't know why, but this smells like sushi.
It has eyelids. Why does it have eyelids?
Tell me.
No, it looks like it has eyelids. Stop. What?
Oh, that's a butterfly.
Okay. Nanny?
If bug land on me, I'm not going to burn my foot. I'm not going to burn my foot.
Now stop getting close to the camera. I saw a bug. I saw a bug. Did you see it, camera? I think you saw it, camera. I'm right here. I'm right here, camera. Stop.
I'm not looking at you.
What?
Be careful with
Give
it.
me it, give me it, give me it.
Just give it to Amy.
Yeah, be careful with that. Just-
Okay. Stop. No, stop using that. You're gonna waste it. Tell me to
Yeah, once the fluid's gone, it's gone. I'm okay. Nope, I'm okay. How long? I mean,
We're definitely YouTubing.
how long are we gonna be gone?
Mile and a half up in there, so.
No, I took some.
It sounds like you slurping on.
I don't want to overdo the kratom.
You gonna throw it out.
It's locked.
Well, the bear's crawling in the front seat after the fruit.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Miller, don't do that. You're getting a little.
lock.
You're getting a little carried away with the flame. You're the power.
Never.
The power is overtaking him.
Oh, could you take the flame? Could you tell him to?
Here, you want to record?
Yep.
Ow.
Stay here. I'll see. Hello. Alright, I guess we're gonna go to the
I want to see this.
Go ahead.
bathroom up here.
No?
Alright, you guys all come in.
Oh, we can't. Thanks. Emma, come on. Melody. Yep.
Look at this. This is neat.
Can I?
Across this little. Oh, I need to be looking for some pretty books.
You want to go in the water or you want to go across the rocks? You can go right here if you want to. See, look.
Hey, Daddy.
Huh?
Sit down.
Huh?
I want to go in the water across.
Okay. Give me your hand. Step down. Here, put that up somewhere. You don't need it. You got it, Miller? Hold on.
Yeah, of course. Well, they didn't want to go now. They want to play in the water.
I like this. Hey, Daddy, let me get back.
Oh,
Play in the water.
see, this is where he needs crocs that aren't lined.
Hey, I'll be squishing all day.
Hey, Daddy. When to get back?
Oh, I like that feeling on my
Daddy,
feet.
when to
Yeah.
get back? Can we
That
play in
feels
the
good.
water?
Yeah, baby. You can play in the water when you get up here, too.
Wait, what?
Tell them what you saw just a minute ago. Who'd you see running up? Tell me.
Oh, yeah, there was this one guy running up there without a shirt.
Yeah.
And
Miller made a good point.
yeah.
What was your point?
Well, we were going to do this protest a couple days ago. Never did get to do it. Okay. It was a women's rights protest. Like, women can't like go around places without their shirts on, but men can.
Mm-hmm. It's not fair, is it? It's not right, is it?
Not fair.
Like, why was he allowed to just run by with his shirt off and nobody ever said anything to him? But if a woman did that, it would be indecent or immoral, or makes me want to do a social experiment. I need to send your daddy about 30 feet ahead with his shirt off, and then I'll take mine off and walk and see who stops him. See who they say something to.
Yeah.
I bet you it won't be your dad.
No, we're about halfway.
More people. So that's
Why is that too down? Oh my god. Why? This is one thing I hate about hiking. Probably because
What is it?
Upwards.
The downhill will be easy when we're coming back.
Yeah, I know. It's still kind of hard though, because you can't stop.
It's a pretty trail though. Look how far we are in the woods. I mean, we are really deep into the
Even
woods.
my
Look at
hands
this.
are sweaty.
Look at that.
Holy crap. We're deep.
Deep in the woods. It's beautiful though. The farther we go up, look at that. We're kind of in the mountaintops right now. If you look straight across, you can see like the treetops. It's a nice trail though. You good, buddy?
Oh my god.
What's up? Huh?
Something was on the back of my leg. There was a spider.
Yeah, Miller's got kind of a, it's like an arachnophobia, but with all bugs. He doesn't hate them because he thinks, what?
They're cool for creating stuff with and stuff. When I'm not like, I'm saying for drawings.
People can tell us what kind of poop that is.
Oh, look at this, man.
Because we keep seeing it all over the trail. Like,
Just press X again.
you see it? You got it in the shot? There it is. What is that? We're seeing it all over the trail. Some kind of animal like taking this trail.
Yep.
You still got that on?
Yep.
So the bathrooms that are here at the beginning of this, don't even waste your time. They stink really bad. I would just bring some biodegradable toilet paper with you and use that. Or regular toilet paper, then just bring a little potty bag. So take it out and put it in the trash. It's bad. You can smell it you can smell it about 20 feet away, can't you?
Yeah. Bad.
It smells worse than my dog yard.
What?
And we have Great Danes.
Where? Oh, was there?
There's what?
A beehive.
It was down there. I was torching upwards, and I got freaked out because I saw like a million bees.
So you ran like hell.
You're torching so much. If we were to end up out here at night and freezing to death, we wouldn't have nothing to start a fire with.
We all be upset
Because you're
with you.
torching all the
Geez,
bugs.
Vance Miller, at least that mosquito didn't bite you. But here we are freezing.
Why? Stay back.
I just want to show you guys this really cool root system here. I can imagine this is what the underneath of every, you know, forest floor looks like. Like if you dig down about a foot or so, I'm sure they all look like that. Isn't that cool? I would think the whole entire forest floor looks like that with all the trees and roots just kind of under the ground, absorbing all the nutrients,
Amy,
water.
I was posting the thing for Emma,
Uh-huh.
and while I was posting it, I kind of burnt my finger.
You okay?
I had my thing on, I had my thumb on the back,
Mm-hmm.
and I was burning it because it tastes so good.
Keep
and Emma
walking.
wanted to try it.
Mm-hmm.
So I put it on the burst for her,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
so I kind of burnt my finger.
You know what they say about playing with fire? Do you know? Miller? Miller. Come on, buddy.
I'll come.
Do you know what they say about playing with fire?
What?
If you play with fire, you get burnt.
Well, I was doing it to roast some food.
Okay.
It makes it taste better.
What, you were roasting a granola bar?
Huh?
You were roasting a granola bar?
Yes. It tastes way better.
Look at that little cave, Miller.
Holy crap.
Oh, there's a little mushroom in there.
Ow. When we get there, I need to stick my thumb in the water.
Okay. Is it hurting? I think I may have a burn cream.
Can you check?
Yeah, I can check.
Yeah, sure. I'll put my thumb in here. Put my thumb in here.
Yeah, go ahead. That'll probably feel good on the cold. Here, let's get out of people's way.
Oh, this makes so much better.
Does that feel better, baby?
Yes, it does. I want to get my whole entire foot wet until we get to the waterfall. Ah, it's so cold. Ah, it's so cold. Jesus Christ, it's cold as heck. Okay, I guess that's good. Okay, I'm not sweating. Daddy,
No.
feel my face. Am I sweating?
Nope, you're good.
Wow. Really cold.
Woo! All right. So Kevin said it's 1.5 miles.
Hey, how about when we get there, I collect some rocks and I make like a little thingamabob
Okay.
where I roast up the granola bars.
Okay, that's fine. So Kevin said that it's 1.5 miles up there, 1.5 miles back.
Oh, it's one of
So it's a 3-mile round trip.
So how long?
Oh, I mean, I don't know. Just as long as, like, if you walk slower, it takes longer. If you walk faster, you get there quicker. So it depends on how, you know, your speed of travel.
We could
But
create like a little food stand up there.
Miller wants to create a roasted granola bar food stand.
For me, and get all the granola bars and go read.
And go re? Why would you say re?
Because I'm burning them so they're good.
All right, do it like you would do it. You're a nut. So the sound effect has to be included. Okay.
Hey, no, one sounds like re.
Yeet. Yeet. Yeet or be yeeted, right?
Yeet or be yeet.
You know that I made a shirt like that on Amazon?
No way.
I did.
What does it
You want me to buy it for you?
What does it say?
It says yeet or be yeeted.
Wait, you made a shirt?
You know I shall sell shirts on Amazon.
You made a shirt like that says that.
Yeah. The shirt says yeet or be... I didn't know you wanted one. Do you want me to buy you one?
Why would you buy me one if you make them?
Because you still have to have Amazon. I created the design. Amazon creates the shirt.
Oh.
So
Sure.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, you guys both want one. If there's any shirts y'all want, let me know. I can create it. Miller, do you want me to make you one that says "Ree"? Miller. Miller.
Dang it.
What, honey?
There was one bug that kept on jumping on both of my feet. And it stung this foot.
You okay, buddy? Let's get up here to the waterfalls. We're almost there, and you can jump in.
That hurt.
You okay, bud?
Ow, it like stung my foot.
Okay. You can jump in the water, and it'll make it feel better.
Did you get a sting?
No, it didn't sting me. It just like made my foot hurt. Like,
Did it bite you?
Some kind of
you okay?
insect bite or something? If
it
we
was
take
like
a look at it.
this
Let-
circle.
Let him look at it.
It's like right here.
Here, let me back up
Didn't
out
do
here.
anything else. It looks weird.
Maybe it'll stop hurting.
Yeah, okay.
Keep an eye on it.
Good. Thank you so much.
But just keep,
All right.
this is
So
what I
it's
have
your,
with this.
so you're good.
Yeah, it was like this circle
Yeah.
bug that was like orangish. It jumped on this leg and it was like sitting there, and then I like flung it off my leg, and it jumped on this leg and like bit it.
Well, that was nice of them to stop and look at it, huh?
Yeah.
Because I don't normally look at it. But look at this.
It hurt. It still does. Oh wait,
I love the root systems here. It's just so cool.
what if all the root systems connect to like the middle of the earth?
Well, you know, they do. Like, you know, the middle of the forest. You know how there's tree after tree after tree? I just saw a bear peeing in the woods.
Where?
A Kevin bear.
Oh.
A bear with a backpack.
That place is so good.
Did it?
Hey look, there's a worm. Hey guys, I saw a giant worm.
You did? A giant worm?
Yeah, kind of like this size. And it was like this,
It was that big?
and it was this.
Oh, okay.
Like this and this.
Oh, you sure it was a worm?
Yeah, kind of was. It was a snake. No, it wasn't a snake, Miller.
Sure wasn't a baby snake?
No.
Holy cow, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh.
Somebody
Boy, if you tumble down there, you're in trouble.
Hey, YouTube. YouTube. It's worth it if you go down. If you're trying to walk and you're tired, it's worth it. Trust me.
Okay,
The
let's go
waterfall.
see. All right, let's go
You
see.
shoot that waterfall and tell them that it's probably fun to play in.
Let's go see if it's worth it.
What if you jump down there?
So in the meantime, while we're walking on this, I want to tell you guys a little story of something that happened. Well, let me turn it around to me. So, the other day, I went to pick Miller up from school, and he got in the car, and he just started bawling. He just had a hard day, and I was like, what's going on? Are you okay? Hang on, let me... Yeah. I was like, what's going on? Are you okay? And he said his hearing went out. Well, his left ear, is your left ear, right, buddy? Mm-hmm. His left ear,
That's my only good ear.
at the end of the day, his hearing completely went out. So
Just like,
I called the ear doctor, and we brought him there and everything, and they said he had, I guess it's just called sudden hearing loss. And I really haven't studied too much about it because I'm a little scared to do the Google researching, just because usually when I do that, I end up freaked out over nothing or end up thinking he's got cancer or something like that. But anyway, so it's called sudden hearing loss. They gave him 60 milligrams of prednisone to take for 3 days. 60 milligrams, that's a lot. And then after the third day, he takes 40 for 3 days. And then after that, he takes 20 for 3 days. So he's on a pretty high dose of steroids. Not sure what that's supposed to do. I think it's supposed to, I don't know, like stop the hearing loss. I'm not sure. But, oh, we must be close. Here we go. We're coming around the bend. Anyway, we'll talk about that later because this is super exciting. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
this is perfect for me to set up a little food thing.
It's
This
beautiful.
is perfect for me to set up like a little food thing.
You want to set up a food stand out here in the middle of nowhere?
Well, when we reach like the waterfall. I'm gonna build like a thing out of stones. I'm gonna take like the
Beautiful.
banana
Oh,
bars
look at this.
and I'm gonna heat them up.
Come over here on this side, baby. We should have tripped. That would be a heck of a fall. Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. Whew, that would be one heck of a fall. I mean, just straight down. Look at that. Oh, see what I mean, Miller? Miller, if you did that and you were on the edge, you would have fell down. Stay on the right side, please. Miller, get on. I know, but I want you to get on the right side, please, because if you did that and you were on the edge right there, you would have fell down the hill. And look at that. That would be probably a broke ankle or something. I mean, that's one heck of a fall. It kind of just, you know, goes over the cliff there. Not a whole lot of a whole lot of things to ledges or anything. Okay, so anyway, back to what I was telling you. So, you know, we took him there, sudden hearing loss, steroids, and our next thing is to have an MRI. He's had MRIs before because he has migraines, and we have had sleep apnea test done, sleep study, you know. We've had MRIs. We even had this thing that induces seizures, and then they check his brain waves. We've had all kinds of stuff done and can't figure out the source of the migraines, but we're learning all his triggers. His triggers are, you know, getting overheated, and that's a big rock. Yeah, that's a big rock. Anyway, what are some of your triggers, Miller? Oh, air conditioning, like if the air conditioner's too dusty. And Miller, what are your triggers? Oh, being hungry. So he has quite a few triggers.
And mountain climbing really, really, really high up.
Mountain climbing.
I mean, my mountain climbing.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. So this is the trail. It's just, they really put a lot into it with the, you know, with, look at that, with the stones, and, you know, creating a nice little pathway out of rocks, because these are not lightweight rocks. I can imagine. It's just so beautiful. We're here, guys. Are you excited? We got to take a nice, well-deserved break.
And I'm going to heat up some of the banana things.
Okay. He is really adamant about heating up bananas. Heating up banana granola bars.
But I need to find a spot where I should do it.
Do what?
Or I should do it or can do it.
Okay. All right. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you can get behind the waterfall. How? Come over here. I think we're going to go. Look at that. I think we're going to go over here. Come on, babe. Excuse us. Wow, look at this. How cool is this? You can walk behind it. What? I bet that water is freezing cold. All right, guys, we're walking behind it. Here we go. What did you say, sweet Mother Lord? She said, sweet Mother Lord, it's cold. Is it that cold, really? All right. Touch it, Miller. Okay. All right, I'm gonna fill it. Here, hold that just a second, please. Woo! That is freezing cold. Whoa! Look how clean it is. That's some clean water.
Head on down.
What's the blinking red light? I mean, that is just too cool. Look at that.
I don't know.
Look how clean that water is coming off of there. You can, there's one in your backpack.
Okay, can we grab it?
Yep, you always will have a towel in your backpack. Just so you know.
I'm going to start the drink.
You going in? Emma, be careful. Look at my little brave girl. She is just fearless. Oh, be careful, baby. She is absolutely fearless. Go ahead. He wants to roast granola bars. Emma, does it feel good? You can get in there if you want. You can get in. Right? Can they get in? You can get in. Just be careful. I don't want to have to jump in there and get you.
I can't find the
All right, come over here. Go play with your sister and I'll get them, okay? I need right here.
Come on, guys.
Hang on. Miller is determined to roast granola bars. Granola bar roaster. Here you go, baby.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Oh my good Lord, have mercy. Emma. Oh God, please be careful, honey. Oh. Jesus, she's such a daredevil. Scares the shit out of me. Oh, those are the wrong shoes. They've grown out of their hiking shoes, so. Miller's roasting granola bars. Might be good, buddy. Roasting them up, huh? Here, let's put the trash up, though. Yeah, he's roasting granola bars. Miller is the resident chef.
Okay. Go ahead and grab one. Wait, first let me split them.
No, go ahead, babe. You need to eat one, too.
How do I turn this off?
Here, I'll take this one. They smell really good.
I'm going to split them in half. I was going to split them all in half, but okay.
Yeah, they're good. Mmm. Really good, Miller. Who only got a half of one? Emma, here.
You want to get in? No, I'm okay. Oh, thank you.
Look. It's good, Miller. I want to get a picture in front like that, right there in front of the. Cool. You want to see what's on down, or?
To the full form.
Right. You're right.
Miller's telling us about, let me do this because I have a hard time with that way. Miller's telling us about IVF. We were just having a talk about
IVF Transformers form.
we were just talking about how they were conceived because they're both IVF babies. Emma, they're technically twins, and Emma was just frozen for a year. And so Miller has his own idea.
Can I explain it?
Yeah, go ahead.
So it's like technically so like when they take the egg out of the mother and the sperms out of the father, it's like the two Autobots combining into a bigger form, into like if they combine, and then which makes the the human,
Yeah.
aka the combiner.
And then turns into a clump of cells.
Yes, and then all those cells, once those cells grow, they all combine to make the person, like the human.
Yeah.
And then once they do that, the
Go ahead and walk.
and
I'll video you this
and then,
way.
And then when they put it in the mother's belly, when they one's the Autobot and then one's the Decepticon, one of them won't work.
Oh yeah, because I had two. They
yeah, I'm
put
saying
two
that,
embryos in my belly.
Yeah, and then the second time, one of them will win.
Mhm.
And then both of those ones won. And then those were the two that were made.
Mhm. Yep.
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple. It's
And
just
flavors.
cut and dry and simple.
Simple.
So Miller was actually, we have a picture of him when we did the IVF. He's just a clump of cells. So he saw a picture of him as a group of cells.
Yeah.
And he's pretty sure he knows which one is him. right?
I'm the big one.
Water. Oh no.
She's freezing cold. She ended up soaking wet. She's got, look at that. She's trying to get Daddy cold. But she's soaking wet. She ended up getting all the way in the waterfall, of course.
It's already stuck. So did I.
And Miller did too.
I went more than her.
Did you?
Yes, I did actually.
Okay.
Because I went in through the water to get around to you. And Grandma turned around and went around the
It's okay. It's not competition.
Oh, and
We're just having fun.
there's one more thing I want to tell you.
Sure. Tell them.
I took this like flame thing and I did it down. I used a rock. I put the banana.
Oh, I videotaped.
You videotaped that?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got it on video.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Yeah, that way they have the recipe.
Yay! The recipe. It's the only 2 things you need: a rock. Well, 3 things: a rock, one of these.
Be careful. Don't do that close to your face.
I'm not. And then the banana bars or any type of bar that's crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy
And then
granola
like
bar.
just.
Did you get your? You got her shirt
And
wet
then,
for that
like, do it
creek.
only down the middle, because if you don't do it down the middle, just right, and if you don't like do it just down the middle,
Yeah.
then it won't be good, because it
Yeah.
will burn it.
So you put like a strip of
A strip
like
of fire down
fire
the middle.
down the middle. Okay.
Oh, and if you're doing it at home,
Woo, careful.
you have to get like a big rock,
Mhm.
put 3 of them on there, and then burn them down the middle.
Yeah. Good recipe.
So there's an at home and there's a no home.
Yep. So where are we going now?
Titanic.
Titanic. Yay.
This
So
is 2,300 Fahrenheit.
Yep. I don't know if they're going to let us film inside the Titanic or not, but if they do, I will. But if not, then we'll just have to give you our
One side that's colder.
feedback on what we thought and what we saw and all that. Some museums don't let you.
But Amy, we saw other people recording in it.
We did inside the Titanic.
Yeah, remember?
Oh.
On that one video.
I'll do the best I can then.
Is it colder than hot to the cold?
Very, very much colder than hot food. So
Is it colder than the Titanic water?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah. So there's a place in the Titanic Museum in Pigeon Forge that you can stick your hand and see how long you can keep your hand in there. It's supposed to be the temperature of the water that was, right?
My hands
That was
are
there
always
that
pretty dang hot. And plus I kind of burnt my finger with this 2,500 Fahrenheit thing.
Yeah, that's hot. So Miller thinks the Titanic went down by flames. What do you think, Emma?
I think I already told them at the beginning.
Yep. What do you think, Em? How do you think the Titanic sunk? What's the matter, babe?
Oh, you couldn't.
Belly's hurting?
So it sunk by her belly?
Her belly hurting made it sink. Oh, man. Emma's belly hurt. We're sinking. Oh, my God. Stop the belly ache or we're going to go under.
I don't know why, but I like flames. Even though they sometimes hurt my fingers a lot.
Yeah.
Somebody once burnt my finger. I think it was like Frankie or something.
Yeah? That did what?
Someone, yeah, I don't know.
What?
Like burnt my finger.
Oh, yeah. I think so. Hey, did you know that I heard, I'm not sure if this is true, but I heard that all the violin players on the Titanic were still playing as the ship went down.
No way.
That's what I heard, that they were trying to calm down the guests.
No
I mean,
way.
I don't know if they were like, I don't know how long, but surely
If
there
they
was
were just doing that, then and knowing that almost everybody was gonna die,
yeah.
that would have just been the freaking best death ever.
Oh, God. Oh, I don't think I'd want to die that way. I would not want to die that way, thank you.
Because you're playing music while you're knowing you're dead.
Oh, man, that's a little creepy to me. All right, Kev, how did the Titanic sink?
It went underwater.
Oh, well, duh. But how did the unsinkable ship sink?
There's a hole in it.
And so you believe the hoopla of the
That's my
Of the
technically my
iceberg?
theory. That's technically my theory.
Okay, so you think a fire did it too?
Guys,
Okay.
I think there was too much coal in there. Someone put too much coal. Suddenly there was a fire starting. And then when the iceberg hit it, it went out, but at the same time it broke it. But Emma,
Oh.
but the fire was.
Oh my God, there's a bear right there. This is so scary. It's scary.
I'm not gonna attack you.
Apparently there's another one up there because they're recording up there. Is there another one?
Another yelling to scare them off.
Is it a baby? Can I zoom? Oh my God, he's coming up here. Kevin?
He's not gonna do it.
Okay, Kevin, drive. Wait. Oh God, roll the window up. Roll the window up. It's not funny.
Chilling.
Jesus Christ, that is.
There's
Oh,
two right here.
oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, there's more. Oh, it's a baby. There's a baby. Oh, it's a baby. Look. Kevin?
Right here.
Oh, there's all kinds of babies. Oh my God, how beautiful.
Miller dropped my drink.
Oh my God.
Miller, my drink.
You're so cute.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I was like, I thought, oh man, we said coming in here we wanted to see a bear, didn't we? We sure did. Well, because it was so close. Like that was not, I didn't mean that close. I meant like, way out there, but like that bear was literally right in front of our. That was scary.
That wasn't scary.
Kevin's like, I'll roll the window down. There's a bear right outside of it. Let's just roll it down. Just snatch your face off.
It's not Freddy. It's a bear.
She had little babies. You see her little babies? How cute they were?
They were so adorable. They looked like little puppies on one.
She was down there and her babies were up there running around. That's what they were taking pictures of.
She's watching.
Well, yeah.
She was
That's
ready
where
to
the
bite
term
them.
mama bear comes from.
She's ready to bite those guys. Why?
See if we see any more bears, guys. Wow.
So you can throw your shit in the floor and jump up in the seat.
No, maybe we'll see them a little further out and won't be so.
What?
All right, well, I'm back. We had a little bit of a mini heart attack. I did anyway. Everybody else was cool and collected. But yeah, so the name of the road that we were on is how long is it? Like how far is that road?
I don't.
It's probably about what, 15 miles?
No, it ain't that miles. It's only like 3 miles.
About 3 miles. That whole road?
Yeah.
About
Going 10 miles an hour.
3 or 4 miles, and you drive through it really slow. But I would highly recommend it. It's called Roaring Fork Road. So if you're in Pigeon Forge, go. If you're in Gatlinburg, find Roaring Fork Road and just travel that whole road to the other end. It's 3 miles long, but it takes a good hour because you're driving slow and people are sightseeing. It's beautiful. Like it's one of the prettiest roads I've been on. And then of course you saw the bears, so you get to see bears close up, and I mean. That was really awesome. I think we're going to do that every time we come here now. So we're definitely going to hit that road quite often. I would highly recommend it. Wouldn't you guys?
Absolutely.
You want to do that again?
I would like to see bears again, but not that entire hike again.
Yeah. No, we don't have to do the hike. We can just do the walk and,
No, she's talking about just park on the side of the road and you can get in the water right there on the road. Not have to hike to the whole falls.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. What is going on with this? That's weird. Okay, so anyway, yeah, so not long. I mean, you're at the end of Roaring Fork Road, and here we are at the strip, like literally minutes away, and there's like all this going on, all this action, and then like 2 minutes from here is bears in the woods. Like you're so close, just they're surrounded by mountains and bears. Look.
I like bears. They're cool.
I really would love to have a little cabin or something here. It's so cool.
They even got bear signs everywhere.
Yeah, they do. trash cans are all... I wonder if the trash cans here are also covered. You think they come down here ever?
Food down here.
But it's such a cute little town. Look at this. It's so cute. We come down to Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge quite often, but we've never done that. Yeah, there's a big old bear sitting in the back of a truck. We just come down here and just spend the day and just do that trail. And just spend the day doing the little shops and things. And Hillbilly Golf. That's the one that there's a little sky lift. It takes you to the top, and they have a putt-putt there, which is cool. So, but now we are headed to
Titanic.
the Titanic. What is this? Oh, it's a roller coaster. Oh, hey, that's that Alpine roller coaster. Did you see it? I want to do that. See, that's what I mean. We need to come here and just spend the day, do that, do the Alpine coaster. You know? I don't know if this thing would survive the Alpine coaster, would it? Like, do they make an attachment that goes on your chest for it, or no?
It'll hook to any kind of GoPro mount.
Oh, okay. Because that'd be fun. There's zip lining. Look, there's bears on everything. See, that one's got a picture of 3 baby bears. That was the cutest thing.
They're just cute.
Yeah, they are. Okay, next time we see one, I won't freak out as bad. Alright, so we're almost to the Titanic. We had to make a pit stop at Taco Bell so we could get black bean tacos. Right? We got black beans. So it's just like a hard shell taco with black beans and lettuce and tomato and onions, and it's vegan. And it's good. It's pretty good. Did you like yours?
Good.
Pretty good.
Yummy.
Not too shabby. Look at all this crazy stuff, though. Local goat? What the heck is that? It's a restaurant, and then there's a Rowdy Bear Alpine Flyer. What? Oh, mountain tubing. Oh my God, how fun does that?
Found out.
Look at Civil War Theater. Beyond the Lens. What in the world is that? Family fun. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of people there, though. But it looks... It's a cool building. It's like the clock tower fell out. Oh, what?
Upside down building.
I don't know. It says Beyond the Lens. I'm not sure what that means. Like,
I do.
What does it mean?
You know what, like a camera would
Oh my God.
like,
What?
you know what it's called? Is that the museum? Holy moly!
Look.
Okay, so I was about to say that.
Look where we're at, guys.
Oh my god! No way!
There's the iceberg.
That is so cool!
There's the infamous iceberg.
This is the best thing I've ever seen.
What is that? What, Miller?
It doesn't know what to say. He's too amazed. Is that correct, Miller?
What's that other
He said
building?
yes.
What's that down there? Some kind of Hatfield. Oh, look at the Titanic.
Okay, so Amy, what beyond the
Titanic. Yes.
is you know what a camera lens is?
Yes.
Like they're showing you what's behind the lens of the
Oh.
camera.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll have to look it up. What is Daddy doing?
Flying.
We're gonna park. Okay, I thought we were gonna park all jacked up. Ah, there's a Jeep beside us, and Jeepers always go out of their way to park beside other Jeepers. So here it is. Here we are.
Oh, Amy. Oh my God, there's Titanic music playing.
It's Titanic music.